Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present my paper entitled COVID-19 Virus Control as Recovery, the Economy and Minimizing Criminality. Introduction. The number of victims who died as a result of being exposed to the COVID virus. Finally, the Indonesia government issued a regulation so that all Indonesian people carried all vaccines. In addition to vaccine, the Indonesian government has also implemented community restriction in terms of socializing and in carrying out activities outside at home, including the government implementation large-scale social restrictions to break the chain of the spread of the coronavirus. The crime rate in Indonesia is increasing during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Indonesian government finally adopted a new policy, namely the implementation of restriction on community activities based on Micro Bali or Java Bali. The main goal of PPKM Mikro is to support positive case and flatten the curve as the main prerequisite for success in handling COVID-19. In addition, of course, at the same time, as an effort to restore the national economy. And research methods, my paper, the research method used in a juridical empirical approach, the data collection technique is a thought observation, literary and reviewing legislation and analyze using qualitative method, namely analysis by collecting data, systematically compiling and describing and analyzing it. Finding and discussing my paper, the impact of the vaccine in the community economy during the COVID-19 pandemic, the impact of COVID-19 creates value, the economy, the decline in the economy among others occur in various circles, especially in the business, community and community. Economy downturn for business, A, B, C, D, A. Economic downturn for individuals or societies, A, loss of salary and allowance during the crisis, fines and interest due to late or non-payment, extra expenses for family members in an emergency, interest on new debt when using bailout funds. The loss is priceless is the crisis results in joblessness. And then two cases of increased crime during the COVID-19 pandemic. First, the COVID-19 prevention and mitigation policy. Second, as part of the COVID-19 prevention and mitigation policy. And third, the problem of distribution of social assistance provided by the government to the community. And then three, control of the COVID-19 virus as a form of economic recovery. Rebuilding the economy after the COVID-19 pandemic required what kind of rethinking economy that we need and want in the future. Any long-term strategy for post-pandemic economy recovery must be affordable. The policies and proposals for tourism recovery after the COVID-19 pandemic need to consider things that include number one, countries the domestic tourist market will recover more slowly and might open up markets for tourism from nearby countries. Young countries will travel first where the trip is still limited to the needs destination. The economic impact of tourism will recover faster where outdoor and nature related. To capture initial demand, travel industry players must move the quickly to digital. Supermarkets or retail shop implement protocol to protect the health of customer and employee and help restore consumer confidence, product futures. And then for micro, small, and medium enterprise, MSMEs, and the tourism sector in improving the community economy to minimize crime. To encourage MSMEs to bounce back, many countries have introduced or adopted a mixed program to save the small and medium-sized business sector or SMEs. Number one, providing salary beside to MSMEs who are unable to pay employee salary, to encourage the development of entrepreneur innovation so that it can absorb and employ workers. And 3, providing a postment of the statement of MSME obligation or debt for both tax obligation and business loan obligation. Number 4, provide loans directly to MSME actors in order to have sufficient capital to maintain the business. The last and first, the digitalization of MSME business so that they can continue to operate in conditions where there are restrictions on people's movement. Conclusion in this paper, the conclusion in this paper is that with the control of the COVID-19 virus, the community's economic recovery will be achieved. There is a policy from the government to encourage MSMEs and the tourism industry to rise again, and the reopening of the tourism industry will reduce the employment rate affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. With the development of whether as among your people or stock MSMEs, the socio-economic condition of the community will be able to recover and even increase and stabilize. With improving the socio-economic condition of the community being one of the factors that can support crime. Thank you.